Begin.
Alright. Opening up from T.E. Bunny.
T.E. Bunny, who lives at our house.
Can't get this open. So what paper she used.
I was right.
I mean, T.E. Bunny.
Oh, was the box or is the paper? Oh, I was totally right. It is inside out wrapping paper.
I can't open this. I can't get in it. Jesus. You afraid the mailman was going to
Wrapping
steal
ready
this?
for the apocalypse.
It won't come off. Oh my god, this is just one layer.
Jesus Christ. Can you slide it out, you think?
That's my attempt, but it does not. Maybe.
Hey!
Oh, this doesn't have to be returned.
Woo, one layer down. Another to go.
This one looks like it might be a little easier.
This looks like normal mama wrapping paper.
Mom is champ. Oh, what box did it come in?
What is this? 40 count of something? Wow. Oh no.
We got corn dogs.
It's taped closed.
No, I know. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Oh, our redneck family.
Okay, hold on.
Where did you find this tape?
I got 40 pack of corn dogs. I'm
Yeah.
so excited. Cannot wait to eat this.
Easter dinner.
I wonder if Devin finished them all first.
Oh yeah, you did.
Oh my. Look what that is.
Oh, that's
Easter grass.
Easter grass.
That's Easter grass for sure. God, seriously. 2 pieces? 3 pieces? I just want my corn dogs.
Easter grass. Oh my gosh. There's a card first. There's always a card. Oh my gosh. This is dangerous.
Easter grass. Me Easter.
Me gusta.
Oh no. I don't want this all over the apartment complex area. Okay.
How did you fit those in there?
I don't know.
Oh,
And there's more Easter grass.
Easter grass. And there are cards.
Blythe and Alexon.
Oh, nice. We don't even get around. I'm kidding.
The Easter
I'm
Bunny
kidding.
is
I'm kidding.
conserving,
I'm kidding.
okay?
I'm kidding.
It's even written by the Easter
I'm
Bunny.
kidding. You mean written by Santa?
And the Tooth Fairy.
And the Tooth Fairy.
Okay,
It's a universal writing.
let's see what it says. As soon as I can
It's
get
got a
this
bunny on it.
on. It must be for Easter. Hippity hoppity hi. Because
Wait.
you are so special.
Thank
Because you are so special, you deserve a treat. And so this bunny hopped real fast on his little bunny feet with all these special wishes for an Easter day that brings lots of sunshine, lots of smile, lots of happy things. Have fun. Happy Easter. Love the Easter Bunny.
She spelled the Easter bunny wrong.
You know what? The Easter Bunny, it's pretty impressive if the Easter Bunny can spell at all. I was impressed that he was able to know what he looked like.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay!
Sorted candies.
Assorted candies.
Muy bueno.
Now I get that sweet thing that I've been...
Happy Easter, Momo. I love you. Thank you.
Oh, wait. Happy Easter, thank you. Hopefully this looks at us.